This Southwest Realty property video is presented by Morgan Dilts. Welcome to this downtown beauty located just minutes from Old Town, downtown, the Growers Market, the Zoo and Botanical Gardens and ABQ's rapid transit system. This home features an open floor plan with tons of natural light, a private backyard, inviting front porch and a lovely balcony off the master. All bedrooms are on the second story, leaving the downstairs open and ready for entertaining. This beautiful home boasts hardwood floors, stainless steel appliances, and a gas log fireplace to name a few. The refrigerator, Murphy bed mattress, and Murphy bed cabinet do not convey. For more information, review the details below or contact Morgan Dilts at 505-898-8899.